Hello students, this is the second video of class 8 geography chapter number 3. In the previous video we have learned about the migration, types of migration, and in this video we are going to discuss the causes of migration. What are the causes of migration? Why the people migrate to one place to another? What are the reasons? Okay, now see. So first of all, there are the many causes of migration. It may be better opportunity of job. It may be the high living standard and etc. People migrate to various regions. They compare the advantage and disadvantage. Means the people who want to migrate, the people who go to migration, they compare the disadvantage and advantage of the places where are they living and where they are going to live. Means they compare the advantage and disadvantage of the two places, means where they are living and where they are going to live. Okay, then they decide to migrate. Other factors like distance, terrain, travel cost, mode of transportation, cultural barriers also influence the decision of the migration of the people. Okay, these are the other factors. Now, actually there are the many regions it may be. These regions are categorized into the two parts, that is the push factor and the pull factor. Push factor means which push the people to go into the other country, other places or other countries, and the pull factor means the which condition which attract the people from other country to other country. Okay, the push factor, the difficulties that cause the people migrate, the difficulties that cause the people migrate are called the push factor. Means what are the difficulties, what are the problem we are facing at the places are the called the push factor. Means this difficulty push the people to migrate to one place to another. Means this is the push factor. It may be the shortage of food, means it may be there is a very low amount of food, means they can't get the proper diet, means it may be shortage of job, it may be shortage of job, low earning, unstable economic condition, or the lack of amenities, means whatever they need of basic necessities, it may be influence the migration, that is the good housing, transport, medical facilities. Okay, now it may be some disaster like war, natural disaster like recurrent flood, famine. It may be the political pressure like ill treatment because of their races, religious beliefs, social practices, and political ideas. Means there are many causes. Means these are the factors. These are the factors which push the people to migrate, push the people to go. Means it compels the people to go from one place to another. This is the push factor. Now let's see what is the pull factor. Okay. Next one is the pull factors. What are the pull factors? Factors that attract the immigrants to certain places are called pull factors. The factors which attract the immigrants. Immigrants means the people which is coming from the other places to that places. You know the immigrants. The factors which attract the immigrants to certain places are called the pull factors. Okay. Now, what are the pull factors? Let's see. First of all, abundance of food and the other resources means in the push factor we have learned the shortage of food or shortage of food push the people, and there is the abundance of food which attract the people. Okay. Next, the higher earning, better employment opportunities and a stable economy means in the push factor we have learned there is a lower earning, there is a no opportunity of the job, and in this pull factor higher earning, better opportunities of job and the stable economy. Next one is the better amenities like the better education, better healthcare centers, etc. Political stability means there is a no rescission, means the politically they are not forced to go, means there is a stability of the politically stability means lower risk of natural disaster means there is no flood, there is no volcanic activity, and there is no earthquake. These are the natural disaster. Next one is racial equality means there is a no discrimination between the races, religious beliefs, etc. Okay, freedom of the thought and the expression. There are these are the factors which make the people to go in the one place to another, means these are the pull factor and the push factor. Okay, now what are the impact of the migration means what happened when the people move from one place to another, then what happened, let's see. Large scale migration affects the donor regions and the receiver regions. Means what is donor region? Donor region means the region from which the people migrate. The region from which, let think, if the people of Muzaffarpur went to Bengaluru, means Muzaffarpur is the donor region and Bengaluru is the receiver region. Okay, means large scale migration can affect the donor region and receiver region both. It may change the size and sex, change the size and the age sex composition of the population, means due to the migration there may be the change in the age sex composition, change in the size of the population. It may change the birth rate, it may change the death rate and the social conditions. It may also change like level of education, condition of health, it may be changed. Or it may also change the production and the resources, development, income and expenses and so on. Means the changes may be positive, may be negative. Means it may be there is a good opportunity for the country and there is a bad opportunity for country. Means when the people comes from the one country to another, it may be their the level increase, the economic may be increase, it may be the resources may be decrease, means it may be possible. Means there is a negative effect and positive effect. Let's see what are the positive effect on the donor region and what are the negative effect of donor region and what are the positive effect on the receiver region and the donor region. Okay, now we will discuss it in the next video.